Hello everyone, I am Divya Paledra, a student of Department of English, Maharaja Krishna Kumar Seji, Bhavnagar University. This video is a part of our Virtual Teachers Day celebration 2025, and today I am going to present on the topic of the Afrofuturism movement, Imaging Black Future. So, the Afrofuturism movement, Imaging Black Futures. So this is table of content which we will discuss in detail. So here image of Afrofuturism. Then what is Afrofuturism? So Afrofuturism is an artistic, cultural and intellectual movement that merges African traditions, history and diaspora identity with futuristic visions, scientific fiction, fantasy and advanced technology. It uses speculative narratives to reimagine the past and envision empowered black futures. So origin of the term is a coin. This term is a coined by Mark Derry in 1993, in his essay Black to the Future, the context of Derry explored why African Americans were underrepresented in science fiction and how speculative narratives could give voice to black experience. So historical context, here we find 19th century to 20th century, then 19th 16th century, 1918th and 2018 mean modern area. So roots of this movement is born from African diaspora struggle, slavery, colonization and racial oppression. Then response of counter to eurocentric scientific that ignore black voices aimed to reclaim futuristic narratives, and milestone Harlem Renaissance as a precursor strengthened during civil rights era, term popularized in 1993 by Mark Derry. So here key themes like technology and identity, reimagining history, alienation and belonging, empowerment through speculation. So first is technology and identity, reclaiming black narratives through technological imagination and innovation. Second one is reimagining history, combine African tradition, myths and heritage with futuristic science and space exploration. Third one is alienation and belonging, exploring the black experience as alien in a western dominated cultural landscape. And fourth one is empowerment through speculation, creating alternative future free from colonialism, racism and oppression. So here the major figures of this movement like Ryan Coogler, second Samuel R. Dilney, and third one is Octavia Butler. So here another two is like Jenny Lee Monai, and the fifth one is Sandra. So literature and Afrofuturism. Afrofuturism in literature merges science fiction, fantasy, African tradition, and history to reclaim black identity and imagine liberated futures. It critiques colonialism, racism, and social injustice through technology, time travel, and alternate histories. Key author of this point is Octavia Butler, and his work like Kindred 1979, time travel to slavery era, explores racial trauma and survival. Parable of the sower, another work is published in 1993, is about the dystopian world, themes of adaptability, community and spirituality. Then another point is music and Afrofuturism of Sandra. Afrofuturism in music blends African diasporic culture, scientific, and futurism to imagine liberated futures. Sandra is born on 1940 and died on 1993. He pioneer of cosmic free jazz, claimed he was from Saturn, connecting music with cosmic philosophy. Space is the place. 1974 film and album imaging the utopian space world for African Americans, blending jazz, sci-fi, and social liberation. And the end legacy influence George Clinton, Janela Monáe, and modern Afrofuturist music, showing music as a tool for speculative storytelling and empowerment. And here the another important point is film and Afrofuturism. Afrofuturism in film blends African diasporic culture, science fiction, speculative elements, and futurism to imagine alternative realities, critique systematic oppressions, and reclaim black identity and narratives. It often combines technology, mythology, and social commentary to envision liberated future for African and African diasporic communities. Like to here, I put two movies. Like first one is the Black Panther, released in 2018 about Wakanda, hidden technological and advanced African nation. Themes of this movie like African pride, heritage, anti-colonialism, and self-determination. Another movie isolate is Get Out, released in 2017, genre about racial horror with speculative sci-fi elements, and theme is about racism, bodily autonomy, exploitations, and subconscious oppressions. Then here, Afrofuturism in popular culture. So, Afrofuturism in popular culture combines African heritage, futurism, and technology to reimagine black identity, creativity, and empowerment. Example in popular cultures like comics, fashion, video game, pop icons. So here the first comics, Black Panther, like this movie, Wakanda is a place about technologically advanced African nation. Then Static Shock, young black superhero navigating technology and identity. Another point is the fashion. Futuristic African prints, bold colors, and space age aesthetics blend traditional African designs with sci-fi inspired elements. Third point is like video game. Spider-Man, Miles Morales, center black and Latino identity in a high-tech urban environment. And fourth point is pop icons. Beyonce's Black is the King, visual Afrofuturism, combining African heritage, futuristic imagery, and themes of black empowerment. So here, critical perspective on Afrofuturism movement. Here, the prawns, criticism and debates. Well, first like is prawns. Prose, so reclaims black identity and heritage, recites stereotypes and challenges mainstream narratives, inspire artistic and technological innovation. And a point of criticism like can be commercialized or diluted in mainstream media, questionable impact on grassroots communities, heavy focus on technology may overlook class and socio-economic reality. And debate is a question like is Afrofuturism a form of escapism or genuine empowerment? So, in conclusion, thus, Afrofuturism is a cultural movement that envisions liberated black futures by blending African heritage, technology, and social empowerment. It challenges stereotypes, reclaims identity, and inspires creativity across literature, film, music, and activism worldwide by imagining alternative realities. It critiques oppression while fostering innovation and self-expression. Its future remains inclusive, intersectional, and evolving, reflecting diverse Black experience and shaping global culture. So here the references. So, uh, thank you for your thank you for your insightful vision And in this video, I description I put a link of my form of quiz. Please appear in this, and also I put TED link, so please appear also on this. And this is from my side. Thank you.